Hi friends, recently, we had an amazing color run at my school. It's kind of like the Holy Festival. We run while everyone throws colorful powder at us, making everything super fun and vibrant. There was so much energy, laughter, and color everywhere. Let's enjoy all the fun moments from my school color run.
Oh my god. I did a drink. Sorry. Let's walk, Saanvi! Finally, I saw you, Saanvi. Go, Saanvi. Go, Sarah.
After the run, we had even more fun playing with bubbles. Ciara also enjoyed the bubbles, and the whole event was so colorful and exciting. We absolutely love this color run event, and it's something we look forward to every year before summer break. Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more fun videos and adventures. See you in the next one.